Today's watercolor tricks are cling wrap, table and sea salt, dishwashing detergent. These are my two four-legged friends. This is Watercolor and this is Flamingo. They used to hate each other, but now since Watercolor is dead and Flamingo is blind, they have become very good friends. Guys, enough of that. Let's go and do a painting, okay? We will start with yellow ochre and indigo. Strong warm colors for the foreground. Squeeze the plastic into grass-like shapes. Press down and let it dry. Lemon yellow with light green. Apply the paint to a separate piece of paper. Tear off more plastic wrap. Gently push down on the green paint. Then transfer the plastic over the dark green foreground. Then press gently. Take off the plastic. With a small brush enhance the grass. Wet your brush with water, pick up green color, and paint the slope. Do the same with the yellow on the right. Sprinkle table salt and coarse sea salt over both slopes. Let it dry thoroughly, then wipe it off. Want to paint loosely? Use dish soap. 3 drops into a small cup and stir. Scratch grass blades with knife, then paint over with light green. Phthalo blue for the distant pine forest. A little aqua to make the mountain more interesting. Two more drops of detergent and we are ready to paint the far distant mountains with cerulean blue. My brush barely touches the paper. I hope you enjoyed this video and will visit my channel again. Ciao for now.